What just arrived here? AirPods Pro 3. What comes here in the box? Just arrived, and as far as we know, it's arriving in Brazil. Anyway, let's take it out of the box, do the unboxing to see what it's like. As always, right? The technical references. Here. This is the first step, right? Here are some more descriptions. And here's the device box. It's heavy, see? What else is there? Here are the rubber bands that fit in the ear, 4 pairs. And then there are the sizes here. So now let's see what the device looks like. Here's the USB charging port. And then inside are the earbuds, and they already have some rubber bands here. Wow, the light is on, look, I took it out here, it's already on. Okay. As always, the finish is excellent. Anyway, study a little, learn, and then we'll do a review, because it ended up being very difficult. Let's see if it works. 1 box. And that's it.